In a kingdom where magic has been forbidden for centuries, a young apprentice named Rowan accidentally discovers an ancient spellbook hidden in the depths of the royal library. This book, bound in leather and written in a language no one remembers, is rumored to belong to the last great wizard who once saved the kingdom from darkness. But with magic now outlawed and the royal guards patrolling every corner, Rowan knows he must keep the book a secret. One night, as Rowan reads the spellbook by candlelight, he unintentionally awakens a dormant magic within himself. Strange things begin to happen. Plants grow and wither at his touch, objects float in the air, and Rowan starts to have visions of a powerful shadow rising from the mountains to the north. Terrified and confused, Rowan seeks out the help of an old, reclusive scholar named Elric, who once served the kingdom before magic was banned. Elric reveals that the shadow Rowan saw in his visions is a dark sorcerer who was imprisoned long ago but is now breaking free. The kingdom's rulers, in their fear of magic, have unknowingly weakened the very barriers that kept the sorcerer locked away. With the kingdom's defenses crumbling and no wizards left to protect the land, it falls on Rowan to learn the ancient magic and stop the sorcerer before it's too late. Rowan sets off on a perilous journey to master the spells in the book, but the path is fraught with danger. He must travel through enchanted forests, where the trees whisper secrets and shadows move on their own, cross the treacherous desert of whispers, where the sands are said to be alive with the memories of the fallen, and climb the icy peaks of the northern mountains, where the sorcerer's prison lies hidden. Along the way, Rowan is joined by a band of unlikely allies: Lysandra, a fierce warrior with a mysterious past; Thorn, a thief with a quick wit and even quicker hands; and Aloan, a healer who was once a part of a secret order dedicated to preserving lost magic. Each of them has their own reasons for joining Rowan, but all share a common goal: to save the kingdom from the impending doom. As Rowan's powers grow, so do the dangers. The dark sorcerer, sensing Rowan's awakening magic, sends his minions to hunt him down. The group faces betrayal, and Rowan struggles with the growing temptation to use the darker spells in the book.